I feel very excited, but at the same time, I feel very nervous to come here after so many obstacles that I've ever had to go through. I'm just so grateful that I managed to overcome them, and I think that's why the graduation day is very special to me. My name is Dayanee Kunaseelan, and I'm from Malaysia, and I've studied a Bachelor of Education with Honours and Bachelor of Business. So I came in my first year back in 2017, definitely got a massive culture shock. I think the education faculty, like the community, has been so incredible and supportive. Made a lot of lifelong friends here. When I started playing AFL football, I've actually never thought of playing football because I can't kick a ball for my life. Being part of the Monash Blues family has made me love not just football, but be a part of a massive community that embraces everyone for their own individual self. So it's been such a huge part of my life. So I want to be a teacher because I've been discriminated and been called a lot of racist remarks in primary schools. For future children, I want them to know that they're seen and they're heard despite their background. I want them to know that whatever they're doing, they're going to be amazing at what they do. I think it's made me to be more passionate about what I do. I've had a bunch of wonderful lectures and tutors. I think Dr. Claire Hall there's something that she said to me that really stuck to me, that education can lead to so many endless paths. You can educate and change the world and the lives of kids step by step and each and every day. I've never thought that the last 5 years I would do everything, see everything, experience everything, so I'm so grateful. If you're thinking of studying in Monash, definitely get out of your comfort zone, take that leap of faith. It leads you to endless possibility. Never be afraid to take that leap forward.